If you have children around your home that tend to leave the doors open all the time, like it is at my house, well, you might consider a residential door closer. Now, door closers have been used in commercial applications for years, but now they're making them a little more residential friendly looking and will go with just about any kind of decor. Now, whether you have a door like this one that's an entry door, or maybe a door leading from your garage into the house, or maybe any interior door inside your house, this could really be the solution if you have the same problems I have at my house. The model we've chosen here is brown, so it'll match the dark woodwork on this home, but these units are available in a variety of different colors. A paper template is included with this model to simplify layout and installation by exactly locating pilot holes on the door trim and the door itself. This makes actually mounting the closer and brackets a snap. The closing arm attaches to the pneumatic unit first, then to the stationary arm on the door. A few adjustments to the tension and we can add the housing, which makes it blend right in. This was a fairly easy installation, only 15 or 20 minutes, and the cost of the closer less than $40. Now they'll also work on in-swinging doors and just about any interior door that you have in your home. Now, if you're not having to constantly remind your kids to keep the door closed, it may be a little more peaceful around your house.